back to the live stream. How you guys been doing? Oh my god, guys, we got some exciting things to talk about, okay, for today. It is unbelievable because, like, the thing is, what is so interesting, like, you can see already on here, like, that we had a trade on like 117k, right? Like, I entered that trade for a long time ago already. And like, what you can see, literally what I expected as well, he was taking that high out, and then from there he was gonna go down for like a retest, right? And this is like the great and interesting thing right now about it, because the thing is, we are literally in a moment as a Bitcoin breakout pattern with the bullish retest, what you can see over here as well. So I can tell you guys right now, Bitcoin is gonna be like one of the best kind of things, what I can tell ya, and it's gonna be really interesting. Hello Crawford, how you doing, man? Mihao, poor audio. Oh shit, like what is poor audio? Like what is happening, bro? It's like the, let me check. Is the audio not working well, or do I have to put it maybe higher, lower? Let me know, otherwise then I'm gonna try to fix that. Let's see, music is gonna get also a little bit lower, so to have like a little bit of a change for that. It should be good now, to be honest. Jet Tiger, it's low, hard to hear you. Okay, interesting, then I will put it higher. Is this better, guys? Let me know, otherwise. I put like now the sensitivity higher for in that case. Because now it should work, in my opinion. Let me check otherwise, like what I can do about it. Wait a second. Maybe I found the thing. I think now it should work better. Yes, I found the problem. Yes. Now it should work, if I'm correct. Let me check what you guys are saying. Yes, yeah, much better. Good to hear, guys. Thank you. It is lower and the music high. Yeah, I put the music already lower, bro. D, what's up? Yo, bro, how you doing? Mardrek, welcome to the live stream, bro. Mihao, how you doing, man? Pirate Knight, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream. Redline Venom, that's better than good now. Good to hear, guys. Unbelievable. We got such an audience today. It is unbelievable. What good to see, guys. Unbelievable. What good. Okay, guys, are you guys ready for like some good setups for today? Because I can tell you, I am ready to have some trades for today. I can tell you, like for Ethereum, I want to have like some trades for these upcoming days. Because like for the last live streams what we had, and then I'm gonna show you real quick, we had some good setups last what is it, weeks, I think, with Ethereum, like what you can see over here with the patterns and everything, and like the setups over here with this one with it, and like just a low, and again a long. So like that's really good to see. So like I am gonna be very interesting to have like some good setups. Most of the things where I'm so hyped about, because like I can already make an analysis for you guys, to have some interesting but also some good upcoming trades, because like I spoke with my team as well, and they say as well, for you guys as well, just so don't forget about it, that we also can maybe do some trades for this while we are live streaming. So like maybe some scalping trades if you would like. Mute the music and my wife free, please. Well, bro, I can put the music lower if you want. That's not a problem. But your wife, that's gonna be a different thing, man. Oh, D, how's it doing? How are you standing up, man? How are you living with it? Crawford, we all hyped for this coming week. Yeah, man. Yeah, Crawford, I know. I am also super stoked because, like, the thing is, we got with Bitcoin, we got like a really clean setup already. Because like for some things, like for example, if we are like looking for like clean setup already, like he broke through this segment already, like what we're looking for. Let's see, that was over here. Oh, I don't want to have that one. over here. So like this. So what you can see that he had the breakout already. And like this breakout, guys, is like gonna be like one of the most important breakouts for this upcoming live stream, I can tell you. Because maybe what we're gonna do is that we're gonna have like another trade for today on Bitcoin as well. Like we're gonna have a double up. We're gonna do that for today because like what I can see already, like these trades are gonna be like something very good. And also what we can do for you guys is like that we gonna have some scalping trades. So like then we're going like, which is like the 5-minute time frame, and then even closer to that, to see like where are we want to trade to, okay? And maybe we can have some big profits out of it, you know? So like, for example, like these kind of highs, and then we're going to the 1-minute time frame. And like what I also can see is like some liquidity over here that wants to get swiped properly. So like we can use like all these kind of things for like the closer what we want, and also like going to the 30 seconds, for example, and 15 and 10 seconds. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna look at all of them almost. So for example, we're gonna go to the 15 seconds, for example, and like let's see like what they're gonna have. Okay, so we also gonna scalp some trades for today. And maybe we can have like big profits out of it, because like what you can see as well of the 1 second, like this is like not even a thing anymore. Like what the fuck is this? Look at this. Damn. Big spikes. So we will see like what we can gonna do, okay, for today with these kind of scalp things, okay. But like I am really hyped for this upcoming trade what we're gonna have. You know, guys, I'm preferably, of course, the swing trades, but like if we can have like a big trade on for today, why not? We're not gonna look for it, huh? So, guys, for the things what I want to talk about for you guys. First of all, I don't know if you have seen the description already down below on this live stream. The thing is that we are now having a pretty big announcement to make, actually. We have now a Telegram group, actually. The Telegram group, what we have, you can see down under. You can see literally like the things that we all have. So like the sign up and get free 1,000 Ethereum position. The WEEX, if you're gonna sign up from them, and you're getting a free Ethereum to trade on. The only thing is, if you also want to have to join us with our private Telegram community, we're replacing our setups from Tom, from CryptoTice, and from me even. We're showing like all the kind of trades what we have for these upcoming weeks, months, and all those kind of strategies, and you can join it. The only thing what you have to do is like you have to deposit then $100 on the WEEX account. And if you do that, you're getting like your cash back to $1,000, I think it was. And with that $1,000, you can also trade on it with the WEEX account. So what you can do with that money is this: you're reinvesting yourself actually to get better percentages, because we are also helping you with the trading guidelines. What we are looking forward to help you. So also with for a fact with the Telegram group over here, this is like the trade setups. And here we're posting like everything in with the general, and like so these are like the kind of things what we're gonna have. It is now a little bit empty, of course, because like it's just it just launched actually, like I think maybe yesterday or something. So like guys, we're gonna have some crazy upcoming days, and I can tell you guys, this is like something worth to look for, okay. So, guys, so further ado, I think we're gonna start with some good trades for today. I'm really happy with it, because I also wanted to trade on Ethereum for today again, because like I think we're gonna have some higher highs, and like guys, he almost reached already the all-time highs, guys. Like he was really close to it. Don't forget about that. Like look at this. He was like, what is it, maybe $50 from it or something? Yeah, it was really close. That's one thing for sure, guys. And like I can tell you, I have, oh, yeah, $100, okay. But I can tell you guys, we're gonna have some really crazy upcoming things for you. So, Habibi, Blockswork, hello together. What can we expect terms of Bitcoin today? Pump or dump? Habibi, I can tell you already, bro, we're gonna have a big pump for these upcoming things. I am most of the times always bullish on the crypto lately because like the bull run is going really well, the setups are going really clean. So we're gonna have some good, some upcoming good trades, I can tell you. So we're gonna start with like one thing, but I want to make sure that you gonna remember for these upcoming live streams, I can tell you. Like one of the things is, what is something really important to know, is like the 4 phases what we have on crypto, okay? These kind of phases what we have are like something really interesting to follow up all the time. I am also using this to like see when the all season or the large caps are starting to pump up as well, you know? Because like the thing is what you now can see, and that's something really interesting also to follow up, the phase 1 of Bitcoin was literally the flow of money moves into Bitcoin, causing prices to surge, okay? These kind of things happened already in Bitcoin. You can see it already, like we're still pumping up like crazy. You can also see it over here, for example, with these kind of chart patterns and what we are seeing for most of the times. But the interesting fact about here is now, like with the phase overlap, what was happening between it after the phase 1 to phase 2 is literally that money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. Ethereum goes back and forth with Bitcoin and starts outperforming it. So, and that is like what you can see over here, for example, with this RSI and with the upward channel, what you can have here. Like that we now broke out of the, how can you call this one, the bear's wedge. Is it more in a kind of way? Maybe I like the symmetrical triangle. That you can see that we broke out already. And this is like the interesting fact about it now. Phase 2 Ethereum. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin. And we hear talks of flipping. That is like what you can see as well on X, of course. With all these kind of posts what we have about Ethereum, for example. With Eric Trump dropped the mic. Only a fool bets against Ethereum. Some listen, others pay the price. Are you ready for what's coming? Like these kind of things are like something interesting to keep for yourself, okay? And like I can tell you right now, guys, with this phase 2 Ethereum, what we are now doing actually, because what is it? Ethereum is now outperforming Bitcoin, of course, what you can see already, like for these upcoming things. Even though Bitcoin is also doing pretty well, I can tell you. We are still in phase 2, but this is the interesting fact about it, what I want to talk about. The phase overlap. Money is starting to trickle into large caps, where we see large buy-ups happening. What this means, guys, is literally the fact about the large cap what we are supposed to trade on or investing in a kind of way. And then we're talking about HBAR, Ripple, what is it? Acceler, Arbitrum, Algorand. Like these large caps, you know, that we are seeing like big spikes up already. And I can tell you, like if we're looking a little bit back in the time, like the big spikes ups, like over here for example, or like this spike up already, like you can see already, like in the charts already, like the big spike ups here for on the Monday, 7th of July, 2025. Like these are like the big spike ups that we are looking at. So like you see already that like the trickle is like happening already a little bit. You know, he's starting to tickle a little bit about these kind of large caps what we are talking about. And then eventually what's gonna happen is literally the Ethereum has been outperforming Bitcoin and large caps are going parabolic. And that is the phase what we want to look for. MGFX Solar, love from the Momo Army. Momo Army? Sorry man, I don't know what Momo Army is to be honest, but maybe, yeah. Sorry, I'm Dutch, so I don't know what like that should be gonna be. Otherwise I would look it up for you if you want, man. No problem. So where was I? So like these are like the kind of phases what we want to look for. You can see already that it's starting to trickle a little bit, like that the large caps are like pumping a little bit here and there. Also with Ripple, for example, here again, like a big pump on also on 7th of July. You know, so these are the kind of movements what we want to follow up. And as well, if we're gonna look at the total of the total market cap, excluding the Bitcoin, Ethereum, what you can see over here as well are like some interesting things. Let me remove this for you real quick. Here, like for example, this push already is already like something where you want to focus on, because like this is not something. This is like we are on the weekly time frame. So on the Monday, 23rd of June, and then from here, 7th of July, and again from a week later as well, the 14th of July, then we start to outperforming like all these kind of coins, even though we didn't even reach the fact about Ethereum. Because the thing is with Ethereum right now, guys, is like the upward channel what we are following up. Okay, here, let me make it a little bit bigger for you to see it. The upward channel is like what you can use for like where the market wants to go in like the big time frames. Okay, for like swing trade what they're using. Okay, so for example, what you can see over here with the resistance line what it has on the top side and the support level on the downside. So this upward channel what you're seeing right now is literally what Ethereum is doing. And like this is like this the interesting fact about it, because like in the meantime with the upward channel, he broke out about another pattern what it has, and that is literally the symmetrical triangle. So like this segment over here that he broke out is now that he is telling to be ready to go to the newer resistance. And that and we're talking about the resistance line over here, right? This one, this bigger red line on the top. And what means, because like he also touched already the support level, so he's getting backed up about every kind of confirmation what we have already. And not only about that, but if you can see on the downside over here with the RSI, you can also see that he touched literally the support level, that he now is trying to reach to the resistance level again, to then going again down. But this is like the interesting fact about it, because people are thinking with Ethereum like, if he's gonna reach the resistance level, he's gonna go down and we're gonna lose money. That is not the case. Why? Listen up. The thing is with this kind of interesting moves with the upward channel means that the prices are getting a little bit lower indeed. But if you can see already, like from the start from, for example, over here, I can tell you, it had like $26. Okay. Then from there, literally he reached like a level that was $1,000. Then eventually he was reaching again a support level, and what you can see, that was $123. So it doubled up already. Okay, but it is not a big jump, of course, but still, it is something. Then with the resistance level, he reached like the 4,800 level, but we are still currently is the all-time high. Then eventually from there, what you can see already, this was a major jump already. This is $1,600. So I can tell you guys, this is also the same with Bitcoin. These are like the kind of levels where you can follow up. And eventually what we are expecting, that Ethereum is gonna reach like the 15k, round up, 16 maybe a little bit lower, it depends on it, to reach all these kind of higher levels. And that is also what you can see over here. So this 4,800 level is like now the resistance level, or an all-time high, of course. And what is it? Ethereum wants to outperform that level, of course. And that is like something really logical, because if you also can look about the Bitcoin, it has literally the same kind of movements as well over here. And this is like something interesting, because this, what I'm drawing for you here, guys, is like the expectations when Bitcoin is gonna draw down a little bit. Because here's as well with the Bitcoin ending diagonal pattern, literally you can see as well that it has literally like fewer resistance levels, but it still did go up, you know. So it is still taking little steps to the upside from there. And these are like the kind of movements and things what you want to follow up. So also, if you're gonna look a little bit further with this one for the multi-year resistance and support, you also can see that he still wants to reach like newer highs from there. And that is why the case that I'm telling you guys, and that's something important to just remember, to like follow up these big time frames for sometimes, and just try to level it out and try to check like, okay, what are like now the moves where Bitcoin and Ethereum are moving to. Because I can tell you, like, if Bitcoin is moving up, Ethereum is gonna move up. And from Ethereum, we're gonna have the large caps. And from the large cap, we're gonna have the alt season, of course. And that is like how this whole cycle works. And that is like something how nice it is with Bitcoin, because they are just trying to follow up all these kind of movements. So guys, I can tell you right now, we got some interesting analysis for you guys for today, and I can tell you, I am really stoked for you to like yeah, to uncover all these kind of things. And not only that, we also got some altcoin market caps charts, so we can have some good interesting a good interesting live stream for you guys. So guys, don't forget as well, we're gonna have a talk about, we can also make a trade about a coin for you guys, so that I make an analysis for you guys. So don't forget about that. If you have some questions, feel free to ask. I'm always trying to prepare for you guys to help you. And I can tell you, maybe you can see it already on the screen. Probably you do. You can see already. Oh no, wait, I'm gonna make it a little bit closer otherwise. Let's see. It should be like this then. I think so. It should, yeah, it should be like this. I think it will work. Like, the thing is, what you can see, this is like unbelievable. Like, we got we got like already like a lot of crypto coins over here for you guys. It is unbelievable. Like, look at this. Like, it is unbelievable. Unbelievable, guys. I love the support and everything what you guys doing. So thank you so much for it. That you're helping to reach our goals as well with these kind of things. And as well, like, I look at all these kind of crypto coins that we have. So we are supporting each other as well with these kind of things, you know. Maybe it's gonna be a new maybe it's gonna be like a new coin that we are gonna see, and that is gonna maybe pump up. You never know, you know. That is like the interesting fact about it. So we're gonna have some interesting things for you guys for this upcoming live stream. So really is keep in touch, and let's see like what we're gonna have for today. Okay, let me change it real a little bit back, because then you can see like the whole chart. You want to see the price. Perfect. Okay. So what we're gonna talk about for today are, like, first of all, are the trades a little bit, and like these upcoming things. Discover new natural places avec moi. Do you think Ethereum will go this weekend to 3,800? 3,800? Ooh, well, that's a good question actually. Let me check for you real quick. Well, I can tell you, like, you mean 4,800, I think, because 3,800 is like really low. Now all the top 5 coins are consolidating right now. Pump and dump. Yeah, things you are very right, bro. Like, we're gonna have some big pumps. But for you, Discover, I can tell you, like, 3,800 is a really low number, man. Like, the thing is, I'm expecting that he's gonna like have like these kind of movements for today. Actually, that's like what I preferably want to see. The thing is, because like there's like a order block over here, where people have a lot of orders in. So like these are like the kind of things where I am want to trade on. But it's also something interesting if you can look at this movement, and that's like over here. You can see already like that there is a gap over here, and also there's also a good possible option that he is maybe reaching this order block, and then yes, he is reaching that 3,800. But we are so on a bullish movement right now, is that I'm not expecting that he's gonna drop that far down. It is possible, of course. I'm not gonna say that this is not gonna happen or anything, but it is like, these are like the kind of expectations what I have, because he almost reached the 4,800 already. So that is why people are selling already on these movements. But I think that we are still not done with this big pump. So that is like what we're gonna have for today. So we're gonna talk a little bit further about the Bitcoin breakout pattern, okay? Because guys, everyone has seen it already. Bitcoin made again a newer all-time high. Hope so, mate. Thanks. No problem, bro. Always free. Always like ask me every kind of question. I'm always happy to help. Guys, so what you can see already, Bitcoin made like a big move to the upside. What you can see over here as well. Like, the thing is, what is something so interesting about it? like is like you can see literally when people are starting to sell. You can literally see already when he made like a newer all-time high. That was 124k. Was the max? 124.5. Yeah. So 124k and a half. Like on that moment, people were starting to sell already. Because like what you can see over here is like people were selling from this segment, but also like what is something interesting if people are like don't know like the kind of patterns what's always happening. What I'm also telling you guys, what is something important to remember, that there always is gonna be with the patterns. There's always gonna be like a kind of retest on something. So also with this one, for example, with the symmetrical triangle, as you can see over here, literally the bullish retest is now about to happen. He touched already like the resistance line, what is now a support line, and that segment over here is gonna be like some of the most interesting things to trade on, because what you can see over here, like it touched it already, like it broke out, made higher highs, and eventually he made a change of character even. A change of character to the downside first over here. Then eventually what happened that he made literally a touch on the support level, and now what you want to see is literally that he's gonna go to the higher highs from here. So literally you want to see that he's gonna take this level out and gonna reach to the newer all-time highs. And what we're gonna do is probably we're gonna trade to this high, to 124. Okay, that's like one of my most important levels for today right now. And I can tell you guys, this is gonna be like some interesting days, because whoa, these are like the kind of setups what you want to see from as a day trader, crypto trader, forex trader, every kind of trader what you have. Yo, Peru Invest, how you doing, man? Next Ethereum stop will be at 56,745 days. Do you mean 5,600? Because 56,000 is a lot. We are now like on, what is it, 4,800, 4,000, round up, maybe a little bit higher. But $56,000 and 700, that is like a lot, bro. That like, not to like call something out, bro. Ah yes, okay. Then now it makes more sense. 5,600. Yeah. Oh man, I was already in shock. I was like, okay, now I have to buy more, bro, because like you man, like excited at 4,700. We did not break through the 5k as I thought. Lol. Yo JS, how you doing, man? Yeah, but bro, like the thing is, that's like what I was saying, like people are like scared to lose their money in a kind of way, and if they make some money out of some parts and they see that they almost reach like a newer high, or like he reached like almost an all-time high, they want to take their money out, you know. That is like what is always happening with like the panic sellers, and not with the panic sellers and people that are lost maybe money on Ethereum. I don't know for sure, but like these are like the kind of levels what like is what is something important, you know, for people, because they are just scared to lose some money in it. So that's why it is something important to follow up those kind of things. Shakira1, can you please analyze Ripple? Yes, of course, bro. I can analyze Ripple. I'm gonna mark it for you so that we know that we're gonna analyze Ripple for you. Peru Invest 5,670 is coming for sure after 45 days. I like that thought, bro. The thing is, like what Peru Invest is saying, that we're gonna have like a big pump in like 45 days. So in the meantime that he's gonna go up with 30% almost. And that is something really interesting to talk about, guys, because like I'm just curious, like guys, what do you guys think? Peru thinks that we're gonna reach the 5,600. What do you guys expect what's gonna happen in the upcoming 45 days? Like that's like the kind of time frame what we are gonna think about right now. Discover new natural. Maybe Ethereum can go to 4,900, 5,000 this month and drop in September, and later go higher for the 5k plus is maybe. That's also going to be a really good one to remember, guys. The 5k level is like one of the most wanted upcoming numbers for today. Well, not for the day, for lately, because the thing is with the 5k level, that's something what I also like a lot. People are also gonna sell on those moments. But what I'm expecting the most, and that is like what I like as a day trader, the moments when literally these levels are getting hit, the retracement is always happening on those moments as well. That means that we can invest more in it or trade on it more to make some more profit out of it in the meantime when he's going up. So we are tripling almost or doubling our money time on time with these kind of things. Because like if the bull run is happening, that means that we want to go up. And if we're gonna go up, it means that everything is getting more worth. And with those kind of things, we also know, for example, that we also can trade to the upside more with these kind of things. So also with the trade what we had on like Bitcoin, for example, like look at this. We had like a, we reached like the 124k 644. That was like what we had as a trade. And literally, now it dropped all the way down to the 117 again. That's unbelievable, right? Now we have like an ROI of 5% again. We had like, what is it, maybe 50%, more than 50% on it. Because like our expectations are like 130. So that is going to be something interesting. And I am expecting that we're going to have some more trades on Bitcoin as well. ADA killed it yesterday compared to many others. I'm curious to see your analysis of that during this overall dip. Whenever you can get into it. Thanks, Justin. No problem, huge production. ADA is gonna be on the list for today. We're gonna have some good, interesting analysis. I can tell you already, because like these kind of dips are like the kind of expectation what we can follow up as well. And like I can tell you, whoa, ADA is doing really good indeed. We had like actually like a good positive trade if we entered this one. Well, if the market did like what we wanted to see, but he didn't. But still, like we expected that that it would go to the high. So like yeah, it is doing really good indeed. Let's see. Pro Invest. Once FED approved stacking for Ethereum ETF, then don't be surprised if it goes to 40% up. Bro, to be honest, I'm already like not surprised anymore like what Ethereum is doing, because like I can tell already with the 4 phases what I was showing you guys already, that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin in every kind of possible way, and it is still doing that actually. Even though Bitcoin is also performing really good lately. And that's like some of the kind of things that I like to see as well. So we're gonna have some kind of good, interesting days. ADA need to successfully execute midnight update. Could you shed your light on SUI too? Yes, of course, bro. SUI, that's this one. Yeah, here you go. Okay, let's see. We're also gonna have some SUI for today. Yeah, let's see what we have. Bro, XO USD and Pete USD analyze. Yeah, of course, Acceler, for example. Let's see. And what was it more? Python. I don't know. Do I have Python? Ooh, interesting. Let me see. Let's see. Byte USD. Oh, I don't even have that one. Interesting. I like that. Okay, do you want dollars? Nah, let's please some Sol. No worries, bro. I can also gonna do some Sol. So this one, for example, what gonna we have some more things? Sol, I got it. Ethereum for financial institutions, and Sol is for retail. Yeah, bro, we're gonna have some good. We're gonna have some good trades in general. Sol is also like doing pretty well in my occasion. And look at this one, bro. Oh man, really? I had to trade on Ethereum as well, guys. I told you already from the last live stream. Yes, broski, no worries, bro. I got you. Hey D, I told you already from the last one. I told you already. Look at this. This is so unfortunate. That would be such a good trade. Oh, that is so sad. That is so sad. No way. just so you know, guys, I literally placed my trade like I wanted to trade my I wanted to trade like on this placement. So after he reached that high. So look at this, how clean it would look already. And I think he's gonna literally reach these kind of lows. I can tell you that already. Wow. Unfortunately, we didn't took this one. Bro, you're amazing. Thank you, BA. Can you please help me analyze one AI DeFi project? Ticket symbol is RAIN USDT. Thanks. No problem, bro. I love to do it. Let's see. I don't think if I have RAIN in this list. Let me check for you real quick. RAIN USD. That's like this is like the one what you meaning, right? Let's see. AI DeFi project ticket symbol. Oh, RAIN with 2 eyes. Let's see. I don't think this is the. Oh, maybe it is this one. RAIN USD. With Kraken or crypto, it's like the same. Or do you want to have the USDT? Oh, that's also gonna be possible. Like, let me get that real quick. RAIN USDT Maxi. Perfect, that's the one. Okay, we also get that one for today, so that's clean. Well, still in my long for Sol since $88. Bro, you are going crazy with that long for sure. Just so you know, like, if you start to enter from $88, that is like something crazy. The sniper, yeah, bro, he's sniping the shit out of us with this, with these kind of things. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, guys. So, what are we gonna talk about for today? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about a little bit about this upcoming trades, what we're gonna do. But first of all, we're gonna have some analysis about Bitcoin and the expectation what we have. And then from there, we're gonna have some interesting things, okay? Because we're also gonna talking about the total market and all those kind of things. So yeah, let's start a little bit with it. Yes, but it's no, still not enough for wife-changing money, bro. The thing is, like, the more money you're making, the closer you are with the changing money. Did you think about that fact? Come on, she can't be that bad, bro. Come on, man. Okay, guys. So what you can see over here with the AMD, if you're not familiar with it. But like maybe Bitcoin dominance will back around October. It can happen. I also can gonna check for you the Bitcoin dominance if you want. It's not gonna be a problem. Better leave now, or she'll take half of your profits. Profit, you are. Yeah, bro, I get it. I get it. Or first make some money. You know, but don't tell anything to your wife or whatever. And then after that, you know, like, if you have enough money, then you're just gonna say like, bro, leave her. Like, nothing happened. You just want to break up or want to divorce, and you say, I don't have any money, or you're gonna give it to your, to your parents or something. Was it right? Like that it is on their name. So that she can't have anything from that. That's also gonna be an option. Why am I supporting this actually? What am I doing? Okay, guys, but something interesting to focus about. Okay, the AMD. Okay, so let me write it down. AMD. So the accumulation. Let me write it down. Otherwise, for you guys, accumulation. I don't know if I am like naming it right, but it is something what I'm trying to do my best. Okay, so please don't laugh at me for this. Manipulation. I don't know if I'm writing it wrong or good, but I hope that it is good. Distribution. But well, like, why not? Like, we got it for today. Bro, yes, RAIN USDT with 2 eyes. Thanks. Please do help and analyze its charts for long term. No worries, man. I will do that. You go, Justin. Yeah, the thing is, then you're taking it like a little bit more slower with these kind of things, right? So that's like something maybe to remember, ish, kind of. Okay, guys. So AMD, okay. Some people heard of it already. Some people didn't heard. Maybe they maybe know already what it is. But this segment over here, guys, is something important to remember, to know as well for you guys. Yeah, just to know like how the charts are working in a kind of way. Okay, the thing is, accumulation means that the chart is going like a little bit sideways or maybe going down a little bit, and like but not big movements at all. You know. Then what is happening? The manipulation is then after it is happening, and then from there the distribution. So like for example here it is a little bit different Bitcoin, I have to say, because like now it looks like more the manipulation than the accumulation. So then we have to change this actually as well. Let me fix that. And you're gonna have the word "mad" from it as well. It doesn't sound right, but still it is like this. Because like you're gonna have the manipulation over here, the accumulation over here, and then the distribution over here, which you can see in the green section. And like the fact is, like what is happening, like he has his downside movement in 2016 and 2017, then he is accumulating to the upside and the distribution from there. And like you can see it as well, 2012, 2013, 2016, 2017, and the 2020 and 2021. But the only difference is with this one, it has like the COVID crash as well with it. And like the COVID crash, everyone knows it already. It was like the fucked up sickness, what everyone experienced almost. Like that thing over there is also something what you are like have to remember, because that was also a fucked up thing for the market. And like those kind of things, you can see literally the drop over here, and then from there it still did go up with Bitcoin. So like even though we had like a pretty big crash in my opinion, and that was from COVID for one of the examples, and all these kind of things, you can still see like when he's moving to downside from there again, we are always building up to have more momentum on those kind of things. So also over here, for example, it's literally the same movements actually. Like for example with this is the ascending triangle, if I'm not correct. And what you can see over here, that it broke out multiple times already, and I can tell you like this is not like the cleanest way to draw it, but it is more in a way for not for a close up, but from far away, of course. But you can see already that he already like was building up momentum with people that are buying more, investing more in Bitcoin, and like from there we are literally now in a movement for the distribution phase. But you can see it as well over here, for example. In 2016, for example, this is like a really clean one to expect. Like we were selling because he reached like good highs in 2012, 2013 was it? Yes, with this distribution phase. And from there he did go down again. Huh? Look at this, like it did go down, and then from there, and that is literally the change, the movement, what is happening, that was literally from here, the start. From here already, it started already to building up some momentum. So the people are buying again on Bitcoin. And these are like the kind of movements what you want to see, because on this segment over here are like the movements what you already can trade on, but also can invest on it as well. And then from there, like eventually he's breaking out of that whole cycle with higher high, and making like a big breakout, and then is gonna have like a quick quick retest on it, and we're gonna have like a big movement to the upside. For example, if you're gonna go over here, for example, this is exactly like one of the things which you also can use about it with the Bitcoin breakout pattern. Like he's making a new higher high, and what happens? He's going down to the downside again to have a bullish retest. So like these are the kind of movements already to have to following up already, and like from there you can already can already assume actually that we have like a really bullish upward movement, because like all the confirmations are like correct in this way. And that is why it is so good and important to know these kind of patterns, to know how to read the charts with these kind of things. So with Bitcoin, for example, I can tell you already, I want to trade on Bitcoin for today, to be honest. Maybe not like a scalping trade, I have to say, but more in a way like, for example, for a swing trade, or maybe a day trade. It's also possible that we have like on the 15 minutes or so. And then like Tom and like my team is gonna like, gonna show it to you then also on the Telegram group, for example. And not only that, but like, for example, what's also gonna happen, we're also gonna post it on X, for example, where you also can follow it up to. So like all these kind of movements, what you can see over here, also like these kind of memes, for example, is also gonna be really funny, of course. And like, yeah, long. That's good today. Yeah, for example, with these kind of things, that we're gonna have that we are gonna be hopefully gonna be together richer with all these kind of things. What's gonna happen? Okay, so like so what we're gonna have also, for example, what we are now talking about over here, this the distribution phase is now upcoming. Okay, so like those are like the kind of things to follow up. Aussie77, how to join the to Telegram but not the exclusive one. Well, if you can go to the description on the downside over here on this live stream, you can see literally the things where you can join this. For example, the WEEX support and sign up, get free Ethereum, copy our trades with Merlin WEEX bot, join our exclusive trading group is also possible, and from there you can always join us. And so just so you know, guys, to be on, just so you know, it is free to join. The only thing is what we're asking to do is that you are then putting like, what is it, 100 euros? No, dollars. Sorry, dollars. That you're putting $100 on your WEEX account, your own WEEX account. We're not taking like any money from there whatsoever. And what is so important about it is like that you can use that $100, that you're getting even more money on your account. So for example, the $1,000 Ethereum coins, and then from there you also gonna get selected to put to get in our trading group. That's why it is so nice actually. I know $100 can be a lot of money, but actually it is only for yourself. Like you're not giving us 100 euros or whatever. And but we are also because we are helping. What is it? We're working together with WEEX, of course. Like that is already what you have seen already, and like that is like the way what you can to join us as well on WEEX, that we are trading together with it. That's like how nice it is to join us on Telegram group, and so we are also building like a big community together. Because like, what I told you already, Crypto Ties, for example, is gonna send trade setups on that one. Tom is gonna do it from the videos. I'm gonna do it as well. And probably maybe Merlin can also make some analysis properly here and there. So we're gonna have some like good traders that is gonna, that also can join, that's gonna, yeah, that we are gonna play some some setups from you guys. Okay, so just so you just so you know, it is totally free. You just have to sign up, and I know $100 it can be a lot, but from there you are gonna have like a big deposit, even more with a kind of cashback, I will call it, and you can trade on it. You know, you're gonna start invest in it with on Bitcoin, Ethereum, or what kind of coin you would like. Okay, so we're talking a little bit further about the Bitcoin, but then versus the money flow index. Okay, so what you can see with the MFI on the downside as well with it, what we are having here are like some interesting things to see. Okay, for example, with the hidden bullish divergence, what you can see over here is literally the manipulation effect, the manipulation, and then the distribution to the downside. AMD, what I was talking about already. What you can see over here is literally the movements on the low side over here with the Bitcoin as well with it. That he literally actually following up the money flow index with these kind of things. what is something really interesting, okay? Because like the thing is, with that how can I say it? With that confirmation we have already, which you can see over here, he didn't move yet in this segment over here, that he is probably is gonna manipulate to the downside again from there. So that means that we're actually ready to push up a little bit more to like, what is it? Maybe 150k round up, maybe even higher, 160, 170. I can see over here. It depends on it, like, because like maybe this one has to get a little bit lower, but we just have to wait for that segment, okay? Because still it will take time when he's gonna reach that level. But in that meantime that we're now in, we can still go really bullish to that segment. And that's also what you can see on the MFI as a confirmation, like with the lows, what he's showing over here, for example, and that he's then building up again to the newer highs with the hidden bullish divergence, what you can see over here. So like these are like kind of moments what we're putting up through to show you these kind of things, okay? So if we're gonna look a little bit further with the Bitcoin in 2017 and 2018, which you can see over here with the 3-week index, and again over here, you can literally see over here for these kind of things, and that's inverted scale. So like if you can look at from the other way around, then this is like the movement what you're looking for. So also over here, inverted scale is putting off, and literally what you can see over here is literally the segment what he is doing. So he's now literally actually ready to go for the 0.5, and that's we're talking about this segment over here to reach newer highs. So like 180k over here, he's saying already, and like those kind of movements are like so nice to have like as an extra confirmation for our trades, okay? Because like for example, what is something really important what I learned, that's like the way how I'm trading, that's the SMC, smart money concept, if I'm correct. That is how I am trading. That's like my that's my strategy in general. Then it has like a lot of course, some things that I'm using with it as well. But like these are like the kind of confirmations that I'm also taking with me for these upcoming trades what I'm doing. So for example, what you can see over here, that Bitcoin in 2017, what was happened, he literally made a movement from here, let's see, over here all the way, and now I can tell you even higher, but we're gonna post it from here to now. That's already a 500% boost. And of course, I'm not gonna expect that he's gonna reach again those kind of movements, but still, like this kind of movements over here, for example, is gonna have like a 42% and maybe an otherwise almost a 70% boost up from on Bitcoin. And I can tell you guys, that's like a big boost for us, because whoa, 70% of Bitcoin on this kind of prices, you can already like figure it out like how much money that is gonna be. So guys, I can tell you we are still gonna be really bullish on Bitcoin, even though also with how Ethereum is doing lately, okay? Sorry, I had to take a little bit of a sip of water because like I'm getting a dry mouth because of all this talking. Okay, so if you're gonna look a little bit further with the Bitcoin parabolic curve, okay, let me show you like this picture over here for you guys first, and then I'm gonna show you like the chart. Like the what is it, meow? So what happens after the peak? Another cycle or a correction, and are we entering a super cycle this time? Well, I can tell you, Michal, what I'm thinking is literally after the peak that we're gonna have like a little bit of a drawdown indeed on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all those kind of things. But like on those moments when he is reaching the peak, that means that we're actually reaching like also that is what I'm thinking personally, that we're also gonna reach the phase 4 of the alt season as well with it. Okay, because that peak, what is always happening, and you can see it like on like these kind of charts, chart frames over here, for example. That's like what I like the most to show you, is like the movements over here is like something really clean actually to follow up, okay? Because like this resistance level is like the moments where I want to look again for a short. Because like the movement what it has, for example, that's like just what I'm showing you guys, from here to here, there was the first resistance, then it did go down, and eventually he did go up again, and that is like taking like, what is it, from 2018, 2019 till over here 2021, and over here, yeah, till 2021 it took like those kind of periods of times when he's gonna reach those kind of lows, and now again he's now literally in the middle of the two resistance and support levels. So for example, when he's gonna reach that segment, and so I'm just gonna draw it down for you for a little bit. When he's gonna reach for this high, for example, then I'm expecting that we're gonna have a drawdown over here to the support level again, and then from there we're gonna have again like a big push up in what should it be, like 2027, maybe 2026. It depends on it how fast it will go. So like those are like the kind of movements where you can follow up. Thank you for the extensive answer. I have another question, if you don't mind. Can we predict it time-wise, like fifth circles, etc.? Well, the thing is with trading, bro, you can't like predict the things with time. You can make a speculation, of course, but you, I can tell you, bro, that is like one of the things what I'm always saying to everyone. You can't predict like what's gonna happen with these upcoming things. You can have like a speculation for sure, like that is like your own personal opinion. But like what I'm always having and what I'm always saying is like it is the best way to actually just be giving just attention to what Bitcoin is doing. Okay, so for example, like how it is performing from this last week, for example. So like, for example, what I'm trying to show you, for example, with this Bitcoin breakout, for example, like these are like the kind of interesting things to focus about, because that means that we're now in a bullish uptrend again, so that he wants to make newer higher highs, and those are like the kind of moments where you want to invest or trade on it to like make to use more your time in it than have a speculation on about Bitcoin. Do you get what I'm saying, Mihao? Because those are the kind of things where you want to focus on, but you know, you want to focus like on the trip to that high. You don't want to focus like when he's gonna reach that peak. No, because that it will take months even properly. Maybe another half year. You don't know. That's the whole thing. You can make a speculation for sure, but you're then you're wasting, like, in my opinion, you're wasting then like a lot of time to it, because you're so busy with speculation, what maybe can be wrong, that you are losing the time to focus on the way to it. Okay, that is like what I want to try to explain you. GS, can you do Ethereum? Yes, of course, bro. Of course, I love to do Ethereum. I already like marked it as well for you guys, so no worries. My trade is 2 times Ethereum at 1800. Lol, bro, 1800s. That's like crazy, because I can tell you that is like, wait a second, 1800 on what kind of level did you put it on? Like, that's over here. Damn, man. Hey, I can tell you already that this is like a really great push, I can tell you. Because let's see, there's already 165% of a push what you have, GS. Bro, learn me how to trade, man. Damn. Is this live going to end? The live stream, you mean? Well, the thing is that I'm always ending the live stream like after 2 hours round up. But like, if it is gonna be like a really connected good live stream, then I don't mind to have like a longer live stream. Yeah, I rode a wave and day traded. Nice, man. Like 1k percentage LMFAO. It's stupid money. I get it, bro. I get it. You know, 165 times 2 is not bad. Yeah, man, it's not the bad. That's great even. 1800s, yo, have a good entrance, bro. Yeah, man, he had a great entrance. He was literally actually before the push up over here, what you can see. That is like this, the great fact about it. He literally was like, okay, I'm gonna enter here. Boom, like the first, like, what is it, day even. This guy just made already like, what is it, a percentage of like 50% on this segment. and the man is still didn't take the money out. Bro, what? That is crazy. You're literally talking about 165% what you took, man. Bro, you predicted well. Yeah, man. Like, did you have your glass ball or something, you know? Like, where you're shaking it and you said, like, to the 8 ball or, like, whatever it is. You're saying, like, is Ethereum gonna pump today? And they were gonna say yes or something. You were like, okay, I'm gonna trade on that shit. Let's go. What? 1800 level? Whoa, man. Yeah, man, I'm going full regard. Bro, man, I think you have to be in my place then, man. That you entered like a trade on 1800 for that shit? Jesus. Take my place instead if you want. Whoa. That's a crazy trade. Just to imagine, guys, this is literally probably the trade what he has done took in my for my expectation what I have. So like, you want to place the low under here, and then he placed literally the trade over here. So like, yeah, like this. This is like the kind of trade what he had. There's like a 6 on 3. Maybe it's even smaller with the stop loss, because then he made like the crazy trade of all. Let's onboard him to a community. Lol. Yeah, man, probably. Let's see. Lol, but I like your analysis. Well, that's good to hear, bro. That's good to hear. Okay, so what you can see with this bull section, what you can see on these two segments on 2017 and 2018 till the 2024 and 2025, we're still reaching these kind of highs. So also over here with the parabolic curve step like a formation, these are like the kind of movements what we are following up actually. Okay, so now what you can see, he's now literally pushing to newer all-time highs every time again, making newer higher highs and all those kind of things. And that is something what we like to see, because that's like a really easy continuation trade what we gotta do on top of it, you know. And like with those kind of newer highs what he's making, eventually he's gonna give a reaction that people are selling like crazy on a certain level, and then from there we're gonna go to the downside. Kelly, what up, guys? Yo, Kelly, how you doing, man? Welcome to the live stream, bro. So also what you can see over here with the 1, 2, 3 and 4 bases what he has already, that he's now reaching or to try to reach now a sell point. But I can tell you already also from this picture what you can see over here, as for example, that he is not ready to sell yet, because we're still really bullish. He still is making newer higher highs and giving like a small retest on a certain level what it has. So also for example, what the market is doing, for example, I'm just saying, like for example this order block, it touched on this chart, for example. Now what is happening eventually, like this order block for example got already touched with this order block over here. Like this order block for example is now loose. So now what we are having is like a small gap, and this small gap is also like got touched also already. So those are like the kind of things what you can see and how you can follow up those kind of movements with the charts. So, and if we're gonna look a little bit further, so with the with this segment over here, and everybody knows this segment almost, like we have seen it already on Ethereum as well, with the phases of the creek. I like the way to the creek pattern. I'm just saying it like that because like, yeah, what is like the real name for this guy? Do you know it? Kelly, do you know it maybe? Let me know. But like what you can see over here is BAT. B-A-T? What? Oh. So like what you can see over here with the thing with the creek as well on it, with the spring and the test and the LPS, but it has already, that we're still really bullish on this segment, and it's on the 8-hour time frame, what it has already. So like this is like already like an extra confirmation what we can use on the Bitcoin for today, guys, for a big good trade. And I'm so stoked about it because wow, Bitcoin is doing great so far as well again. And yeah, still Ethereum king, I love him. Like what I can tell you already, guys, Ethereum is like one of the coins what I like to trade on it, because like you can see it already on over here, for example, with the trade what I had over here. Like we had already like 3 trades, and like they all were really clean on top of it. Okay, so we're gonna have some good trades on Ethereum for today probably as well. So what you have over here with the upward channel is like one of the things that we are also like showing you like a lot of times already. But like these are the kind of movements what you also want to know about with Ethereum. What's the target out of the wick of? You mean with the wick of this one? You mean? Well, I can tell you, it's gonna be newer higher highs. That's gonna be one of the certain things what I can tell you. What their expectations are, like want to see like the reach of 130k. That's like one of my goals for with Bitcoin, for sure, because like you can see already like the kind of reach what he reached already for kind of levels, and also over here what you can see like that he's pretty ready to jump up again. What's the correction level on Ethereum, you think? 4200. With Ethereum, the correction level, well, I can tell you, he made already like a small correction over here because he almost reached like the 4800, what he almost reached. And what I am thinking what is gonna happen like can do certain things. For example, if he's gonna reach like this level over here, what I just showed you, this line over here, and then he's gonna make newer higher highs from there. What also gonna be possible that he's gonna reach maybe a new different level that's a little bit lower over here with this gap what it has, that he's then gonna give a reaction to the upside from there, and otherwise it's gonna be this one. That's like a big order block on the bigger time frame. So these are like the kind of three movements what we want to see, that he's gonna make a change of character from there. Okay, that's like the correction levels what I'm expecting. I like to see like 4200 is like one of my favorite levels, to be honest. Bray, April 2021 to November 2021, December 2024, and to January 2025. Bitcoin made only small new all-time highs. Then it went bearish. What do you think this time Bitcoin makes small new all-time highs and couldn't break further? Bray, I can tell you, like that is like what Bitcoin is doing like every time already. The thing is with Bitcoin, that is like what some people doesn't see because they are like maybe too zoomed in on like the smaller time frames. But like what you can see over here, for example, and this like on a monthly time frame, right? So this is like the multi-year resistance and support level what it has. You can literally see that he's actually moving up every time again. So like for example, now he had a resistance, now he did go down, but the prices literally changed here on 16k, and first it was 5k. So like, and now again he was moving up again. But you can see over here, he's moving like making smaller all-time highs. But these smaller all-time highs means that he's trying to reach like the resistance level, and then he's gonna drop down again. But then like maybe 88k, maybe 100k, maybe that he's gonna drop down to there, and then from there we're gonna reach newer all-time highs from there again. So like what this Bitcoin is doing is like he's reaching newer all-time highs every time, and like I can tell you like that is gonna take like a long time, of course, and I get it. But like these are like the kind of movements what Bitcoin is doing. He's always taking like newer higher highs, and with this all now newer higher highs, he's reaching like the multi-year resistance level, and then from there it's gonna go down. But that is Bitcoin in general. He's always moving like pretty slowly, but making newer all-time highs, and like them multiple times even. So in that way, I can tell you like we are not gonna be done with Bitcoin yet. Have you spotted entries on Bitcoin and Ethereum? Kelly, we're gonna do that for sure. I can tell you, we're gonna have some entries on Ethereum and Bitcoin. Also, Jackson Hole, Sympion in a few days, and if from astrology, August 23 is new moon phase, which tend to be reversal. USDT domination. Also couldn't break the 4% minus 3.8% since 2022 and January 2025. The USDT domination, I don't think I have that one, otherwise I would look on it for you, but wait, maybe I have it. No, wait, is it? Oh, no, this is dollar, right? Yeah, shit. Then wait, let me look it up for you, man. USDT market cap dominance here. That's also gonna be an interesting one to keep on it. Let me see. Oh no, where is it? I guess there. There you go. USDT dominance over here, you mean? Let's see. So like what you're saying is a new moon phase, which tend to be reversal. USDT dominance also couldn't break the 4%, 3.8% since 2022 in January 2025. Yeah, bro. Like the thing is, what I'm seeing over here. And then you're talking about the percentages. So like he didn't break the 3.8. That's over here, for example. Oh, let me draw it a little bit different for you guys in general. Here we go. So 3.8 and the 4% over here. So what you can see over here, for example, is now that he he didn't break. He passed through it indeed. This is like more in the support level phase. So yeah, it can be happening for a fact even that he's gonna that the USD dominance is gonna take over eventually from there. But so far I know, first of all, he has to like make a movement still to the downside. Maybe he has to take something out even, and then from there to make a big movement to the upside. So we still have to like wait for like those kind of big of moves when that's gonna happen. And I can tell you, in that meantime, it's already done October, but I can see we can then talk a little bit further on the USDT dominance with that. GS, yeah, Ethereum correction is making me excited and nervous. Why nervous, bro? Bro, I can tell you, you made already 165% on your trade. I can tell you, like, you shouldn't be nervous anymore, because like the thing is, Ethereum and like whole crypto market is so bullish right now. We are like only gonna make money eventually. The only thing is like what is gonna be risky if you want to trade on that segment is you're gonna short on it. US not buying any more Bitcoin. What could this mean for the market? Well, what that could mean is that Bitcoin is gonna draw down a little bit more. That can be for sure. But like the thing is, what I like to see the most with Bitcoin, that he's still not done yet with pumping, because like everyone expected already that Bitcoin is gonna go down, like in like every kind of possible move, but it didn't go down. That's the whole thing. I saw the 4700 to get back in. Ah, okay, later. Okay, interesting. Nervous of missing the entry, lol. Yes, I can tell you, bro. Like, you're gonna be fine. I can tell you already. Like, even though if you sold like on 4700, that's also like crazy still, because like 4700, yeah, that's a good trade, bro. Like, what? It's crazy. Because, whoa, yo, man. Like that. Oh. So just so you know, like this was GS's trade over here, like this. Dude, that is crazy. That is so crazy. And your stop loss is gonna be like small like this properly or something, bro. Like, wow, really clean. And I can tell you, like, indeed what you're saying, GS, like. I'm also expecting like a reversal. Like the thing is like in which kind of level he is making and change of character. Because like what I am trying to look for the most of the times is that he's gonna make a change of character. The change of character is like when he's making eventually from the lower low and a lower high, he's gonna make a higher high and a higher low. And from there we know that we can trade on it again, and that we are gonna be bullish on it. I've been working on a volume strategy. I think we should try it. Kelly, let's do it. Let's do it. If you want to have like a new strategy, let me know. Or like the kind of volume what you have. Lol, bro, I'm trying to retire from this. GS, hey, that's like one of the best things what you can do. I can relate for those kind of things, bro. Why do you think that I'm also like in day trading and in cryptos and with everything? I can tell you, like the people where I'm talking with, those guys are not like a lot in crypto, you know. They're asking me always for like the kind of advices and all those kind of things. It's crazy. And still, like, nobody has seen like the kind of potentials what crypto can have, you know, because people are still scared to lose some money on top of it. What is really logical though, really, but still, like, it shows already like so many good things. So like, why should you be scared again? But yeah, that is like how life works. That we are living in fear most of the times. So like, yeah. We're gonna have just some really good upcoming things, man. I can tell you already. So also over here with the altcoin market cap, okay, what I'm gonna show you with, but this is excluding the top 10. So this is only like the big, like the small coins in general. Maybe the mid caps, maybe some large caps, but also some small caps in it. What you can see over here, literally like the things that you can have. Literally on this segment, the accumulation had like 2 drawdowns, then from there the distribution phase, then the altcoin cycle top from 2018 has made a bottom. From there he's again making an accumulation, and that had again a distribution phase from there, and then again with the altcoin cycle top 2021 again a bottom and accumulation, and now we're literally almost in the distribution phase for 2025, guys. Unbelievable. Like, the altcoins are coming. It's like, I'm getting so excited for these kind of things. GS, I can tell you, like, if you want to retire, this is the way to do it, okay? Like, invest like in like the kind of small, maybe mini and mid caps, large caps as well, for sure, to invest in those kind of things. To be honest, I'm like really thinking to like invest in like a really shitty meme coin, okay, with the altcoin season, just to like check if that's gonna be worth it. Like for example, Pepe, for example, or something. Maybe that one is gonna be like a good one. Maybe Dodge is gonna be also a good one. I don't know with those kind of things, okay? Because like I'm not like a big fan of meme coins in general, but like the thing is, like, it is so cheap. Like, yeah, for example, like the trade what I had with Dogecoin, otherwise, I didn't even trade on this one, but that was my expectations. And look at how perfect well this did go out. Shit. We missed this trade, guys. Who said that I couldn't trade on this one, huh? We did that. We're gonna check the footage back, and we're gonna see like what's gonna happen. Yeah, the volatility in crypto is insane to trade with. Yeah, GS, that is like the whole crazy thing with it. The same people who are scared of losing money in crypto have no problem going to a casino or joining a lottery. Crazy to me. Profit, you're totally right, man. They are thinking, but that, like, the thing is, the world is manipulating the world in these kind of things, okay? That is how I'm seeing it, because like the thing is, like, people are saying still that crypto is one of the that it is one big bubble in those kind of things. But like I am I'm convinced that crypto is gonna be the future for later. So that is why I also like to invest in these kind of things for in the future, because like how the earlier you start, the more money is gonna be your money is gonna be more worth for in later. It's like just investing in stocks, for example. You know, like that is like the same kind of things. So that's like crazy on top of it. GS Peppercoin is pretty strong. Lol. Yeah, for example, got a big bag of fartcoin. What is fartcoin now again? What? Fart? Is it serious a coin? What? What is this kind of? Huh? I didn't even know that this was something. Fart coin. Let me see. What is this? Bro, it is going pretty well indeed as well, bro. What? It is not. It is. What is this kind of shit? Oh my god. That is too funny. Go to trading view, indicator search, weighted volume, profile, pivot, point. Let's see. Oh, wait a sec. Yeah, the thing is, what if I'm doing that? Ah, here you go. Never mind. I never said anything. Let's see. A few indicator search and then okay. Wait. Oh, I did go wrong already. Weighted volume profile pivot. Oh, this should be the one. Let's see. WPV flux charts. Okay, it's not doing anything right now. Run timer error on bar 170 cannot access. Maybe for smaller time frames. Yes, then it works. Oh, interesting. Oh, interesting. People were ooh, this one is gonna be interesting, guys. Oh shit, bro, Kelly. You are giving some juice for in the chat right now. Oh, guys, this is gonna be maybe a really interesting one to follow up. Altcoin has been doing pretty well apparently. Yeah, Kelly, I was literally the same about it. What? How is it even possible? Grove, it's a Solana meme. Yeah, bro, like, I didn't even know that these kind of things existed. Altcoin, what the fuck? Everybody lost a good fight. Bro, what? By flex chart. Altcoin has the MCU of 1.8 billion now at the moment. Bro, that's crazy, man. Set it from the left to the right. Set it from the left to the right. What do you mean? Because like what I can see already. Let's see, style. Boxes and lines. Yeah. Nice. Order blocks. Align to the left. Is it the second one what you're talking about? Because like otherwise I don't know what you're talking about right now. Inputs and status of line. Yeah, but I can see it already from here, Kelly. Like these kind of things are like interesting. You can literally see when the people were buying and when the people were selling on these moments. For example, yeah, they sold until here, and then it did go lower again. So that means that the price was going up from there. And literally over here, you can see as well that people were taking the money out eventually. And then from here, it did go up again. And now again, like this was the biggest movement over here, the 44%, that the people were starting to sell over here. And that is what you can see as well on the market. And then from there, you can see a change of character, making a retest to the downside from there again. Yes, there. Yeah, like, but that is like something interesting. Because like, wow, you can like really read the chart from that segment. So also, for example, over here, like over here they were starting to sell again, and also from here, and then it did go down like crazy. But I can tell you, still, it is like this is on a meme coin, guys. So like, this is not like one of the biggest coins. Let me check it on Ethereum real quick. I just want to see like how that one is working out. But maybe we can use this kind of things. I'm not a fan of indicators a lot, but still, yeah, here, for example, here, 64% were buying from here. Like, look at what is happening. And then from here again, whoa, man, interesting. Also from 4 hour time frame, is that possible? It is a little bit smaller though, like a little bit less. So I like to use the 1 hour time frame indeed. Yeah, for example, here, people were starting to sell at 58%. And you can see already like big moves as well because of the 44%, the 42 and 47. And then it reached this low. And then from there it pushed up again. Interesting, man. Wow. He's like giving you swings on those moments. Okay. Kelly, what's the time frame on that pivot point of weekly? Is that monthly? You use the percentages to know key buy and sell levels. Try it on Bitcoin. Okay, let's see. Kelly, you're giving some things. Best time frames: 1 hour and 30 minutes and 50 minutes. Yeah, man, I'm agreeing with that. 1 hour is like one of the best, to be honest. The thing is like how bigger the time frame is, how bigger the confirmations are. That's like one of my biggest movements to say. Here, for example, as well, over here, like it reached this low already. So now we are actually ready to push to the upside again from there. Whoa, this is crazy. Okay, this is something really interesting. Like the thing is, like I want to have like a clean chart, okay? So like I am just gonna leave it like this, but you can use these kind of things pretty well, I can tell you. Wow, interesting, Kelly. Good find, thank you. Maybe we're gonna use this as like an extra confirmation, to be honest. Like it's not even that bad. But let's go on a little bit further with the total market caps, what I was talking about, because otherwise we're like gonna leave a little bit behind. Because we're talking like a lot about these kind of things. Yeah, thanks, Kelly. Thank you. So what you can see over here with the altcoin market cap as well with it, literally the fact with the bullish crossover, what is happening as well. Literally that the altcoin's market cap is now literally brewing to the upside from here. Okay, like I'm showing you like a lot of kind of, yeah, how can I say it, like a lot of yeah, actually like a multi-year altcoins market caps, and also from Ethereum and also from Bitcoin, because like the thing is, what is so nice about these kind of things is that you can see literally where when he's ready to go to the upside from here or to the downside from there. And now, for example, he reached already 4 times the support level, and this time he's literally building up or he's brewing up the movement to the upside from there. So we are literally have to wait when that segment is gonna launch on the altcoins. And I can tell you guys, that is also the things with the large caps and the alt seasons. So that's gonna be something really interesting to, yeah, just to focus on it. Also over here with, for example, with the altcoin season in 2020, for example, and also the altcoin season in 2025 right now. Yeah, the altcoin season already, like he made a retest when he made a higher high from there, and now he's building up to going higher and higher from there. He's now on $3.94 trillion worth. So like, I am expecting that we're gonna have some big movements, man, and that's on the crypto total market in general. But the alt season is still not even started yet, and we are already brewing up some more worth on the crypto. And that's also what you can see over here with the altcoin market cap, and this is like one of my favorites always to show you guys, with 500% pump over here, and then from there literally what you can see is literally the resistance line broke through it, and now we are having again a 500% pump properly. Maybe that depends on how the market is going, but still those movements are like what we like to see. So also, we're gonna look a little bit further about the Bitcoin against the gold for today. This is exactly like also like kind of movement what we have. For example, with Bitcoin, literally like the kind of same movements, like also like with the head and shoulders pattern, what you can see over here. This has the same, almost have the same with what gold is doing. And with the fact that we are here right now, and also over here, literally what you can see the difference is literally that gold pushed up like crazy from there to 3,400 price. But Bitcoin is now at 118k, 117k, and that we are ready to the upside from there. So guys, I can tell you, like, we are like ready to have like big jumps on Bitcoin. Also, if you can see over here with this gold chart pattern, this is exactly like the same kind of movements as well as an extra confirmation what you can use. Like the gold that it reached like twice like a resistance level, and then from there he broke on the third time, and now again he touched twice this resistance level, and then from there he's now breaking through the resistance level over here. Literally he's like yeah, mimicking literally the gold pattern, bro. Crazy. Pivot point is showing 4,300 on Ethereum. I can believe that that because last day so many buyers it didn't sell at that hard. Weekly time frame. Oh, if it is working on weekly time frame as well, then you can use it very well for those segments. That's gonna be interesting, man. Crazy. So guys, what we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna take a really quick pause because I want to grab some drinks. And then we're gonna come back to make some analysis for you guys. So we're gonna look at Bitcoin for today. We're gonna look at Ethereum. We're gonna look at SUI. We're gonna look at ADA. We're gonna have some Solana for today. We're also gonna have some Python USD, and we're gonna have some Rainmaker. as well. So, oh whoa, Rainmaker, what, what? Okay, no, no worries. We're gonna also check on this segment. But yeah, so we're gonna have that Ripple as well, Acceler. We're gonna have some things on that as well. So guys, what we're gonna do is I will come back in like 5 minutes or so, because I want to grab some drinks and other things, and then yeah, then we're gonna see like what we're gonna have. Okay guys, then I will see you in 5 minutes, and yeah, I will see you then. See you next. Not next time, bro. I'm coming back like in 5 minutes. So just grab also some drinks, guys, and yeah, then I will see you then. Okay.
Don't be sad, don't you cry, just let go your pain. And when you fall asleep, know tomorrow's a new day. Don't be sad, don't you cry, just let go your pain. And when you fall asleep, know tomorrow's a new day. Don't be sad, don't you cry, just let go.
Yo guys,
your pain.
I'm back. It took a little bit longer than you think. I'm sorry for that, man. Like, the thing is that I was I was making a shaky, to be honest, and then like my neighbor was coming over to ask me some things. So like we had a little talk. He's also invested in the crypto, man. It's crazy, really interesting. Okay, guys, but yeah, sorry guys for the waiting. It took a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but still, we are here. So we're back at it again, and we're gonna start with the certain coins that we're gonna look for, and we're gonna start from down under. Okay, so oh, Jean, Luke, GSM, good evening, Marlijn. Good evening. But still, I'm not Marlijn. My name is Justin, and I'm doing the live streams for Marlijn. Okay, let's see what Rainmaker has for us today. So what I can see, like, Rainmaker is still really new on a trading field, first of all, okay? Because like in 2025 on 24th of July it started, or like a little bit earlier, yeah, 24th of July. What you can see over here, like, it is like a little bit tough to trade on this segment, okay? Because like, the movements are like it's not created yet, okay? People are like investing in it and like those kind of things. But like, I can tell you, like, if you bought on this segment over here, like that it was 0.0558, you made already some good profit, I can tell you. But the thing is, like, unfortunately, I can't make a trade on this segment, man, or like an analyzation. Like, I can have like a speculation that is in this segment over here. But yeah, still, like, what you don't want to see, to be honest, and that's like the only thing what I can do, unfortunately. What you can have over here is like with the Fibonacci and the gap. What you can have is that this can happen. So for example, that he's gonna go down over here to this till this lows a little bit, and then from there a newer high, and then from there to newer highs, because like still I'm pretty bullish on everything what I told you guys already. Yeah, so like those are like the kind of movements that I'm expecting at least. The only thing is what is important to know, like this is a really new coin or a new pair in my occasion, so that means that we're still yeah, have to wait when he is gonna make some more moves in these kind of things, because like the thing is also he literally took this high out, and yeah, like the rest of it is like you can't do anything with it, to be honest. Like yeah, there are some movements that you can say like, okay, yeah, there's liquidity over here and stuff, but yeah, that's just like something what it doesn't matter yet a lot in this certain occasions. That's like the only thing what I can tell you guys on this one. So for the watchers that wanted me to analyze Rainmaker, thank you for the suggestion, but unfortunately I can't like make a good analysis in this segment. I made a speculation for you guys, but yeah, this one is a little bit unfortunately that we there's like too less information to trade on it. Okay, so we're gonna go further with Python USD for today. Let's see what it has, okay, because this one is interesting, to be honest. Like you can see already, he's making lower lows, and sometimes he's reaching for a certain high. For example, over here with this order block, what you can see. And now what you can see again, that he again made like that he reached this kind of high, that he swiped it out, and now maybe can go to the downside. But still, he's like in a consolidating move, what you can see over here, because like he reached a newer high, so he made officially a newer higher high from there. So that's like something positive. So let's see what it has on the closer time frame, because now what we're looking at is so this segment over here and this segment over here, like this. So literally, actually, we're literally now in like a kind of a, yeah, what is this gonna be, guys? What do you think? It looks more like a bear's wedge kind of way, I think. A little bit of a bear's wedge, but like then in like a more certain way, what you can see over here, because like he's now consolidating, you know, he's now going more to the up and down side. He's consolidating a little bit, so we don't have like much on this segment. So let's see what we are having on the close time frame. So for example, what you can see over here, he made like lower lows over here, and like he reached like these kind of highs, and what you can see from there, he dropped down again. So what I'm seeing from here, that he's still making lower lows and then making a higher high. No, well, not a higher high, actually higher lows more. So from this movement, what you can see, then these kind of lows are like the targets what we want to see, to be honest. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove this trend lines over here, and what we're gonna do is like we're gonna make a Fibonacci from the high to the low, and from that segment, what you can see over here, like this gap was like one of the reasons that he did go to the downside from there. And that's looking really clean, to be honest. Like this is looking good. So now what we can do again, maybe a trade continuation, because he made a lower low from here, but still didn't pick up like this order block over here. And we're talking about this one. This order block over here is now the segment where we want to trade to. So what we can do is literally we can wait when he's reaching this order block, and then from there what you want to see is like he's making change of character and retest, and then reaching these kind of lows. This is like the kind of lows what we want to see and want to focus at if you want to trade on Python, because like in general, like what you can see over here with the daily and all these kind of things, that we're still making lower lows in general. Okay, and that he just is picking up some liquidity on over here, for example, or over here, He's just picking up some liquidity over that segment, and that is like the important things to know and what to see about it. And now what you can see as well, that he just broke the lower, just a low over here, making a newer, kind of lower low, I have to say. But the fact is that he's now building up to the upside again from here. So he just took out that liquidity, and now what he wants to do is literally going over here to go then to the downside again from it. That's like how you can see it. So that's going to be an interesting one to follow up for Python against the USD. Now what we're gonna do is Solana for today. And like, to be honest, Solana is looking really good already with this sell movement over here. Because like what you can see over here, that he reached like the 200 level and like a round up level, so like 200, 100, 1000, you know, like those 100 levels are like more likely that people are selling, first of all, because they like to have like a round up number to sell for, or they say like, oh, this is like the kind of highs what he's reaching right now, so I'm scared for these kind of upcoming things. Okay. So with Solana for today, what we can look for is like maybe certain levels. So first of all, maybe he can look again, because like what you can see already, like this level over here is literally the level where people are selling a lot lately. This is going to be like a big resistance level on Solana for the upcoming days. That's why I also wanted to shorten this segment. So for example, what you can see over here is that, yeah, this segment we can't do much right now because we're still like in this movement. But what you can expect, what can happen, because he still didn't make like a newer lower low over here. Okay, so what you can do is, because I want to see this segment taken out yet, so what you can do is like making again a Fibonacci from here and looking for like another selling option. So for example, this order block again over here, you can make again a trade on this segment to wait for. So what you can do, literally for example, is that you're gonna grab or that you can wait for the perfect setup again, that he's gonna reach this order block, and then from there it's gonna go to the downside from there. So these are like the kind of movement that I would look for with Solana, but for today it's a little bit tough, okay, because like that's the only reason why I should look for these upcoming days. But the rest of it is a little bit tough to look for, because he's now going down to the movement what I wanted to see already. So we just have to wait for it. For ADA, what do we have over here? ADA is going to be like one of the interesting coins for the upcoming days, I can tell you. Because wow, ADA was doing some good shit, I can tell ya. Let's see. Okay, first of all, we're gonna remove some order blocks, and we're gonna see already like what it did already on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, it touches already some order blocks over here and touched like those lows. The highs still didn't take it out yet, so that's like our focus where we want to trade to. Other thing on the daily, what you can see over here is that this order block over here. This order block, for example, got filled up like pretty well, to be honest. What means that we are literally now actually ready to go again for like a newer high. So for example, what is gonna happen properly is that this segment, that it is gonna do this. Why? Because he didn't take out that high and did go to the downside from there, or to go lower. This segment already it did get taken out yet, so he doesn't need to go to the downside from there. So what we're gonna do is that this order book over here is looking really clean in my opinion. And what we're gonna expect from there is literally a Fibonacci from here is looking also really good in the buying zone. So that's 0.618 or 0.786. And what you can see over here, if we're gonna look a little bit closer, that we also can trade now to that level. So for example, we're gonna have like on a 1 hour time frame, for example, or maybe 15. Yeah, we're gonna go even lower. I like to shorten this on this segment over here on 15 minutes, for example. You can see already that he still didn't take out this low yet as well. Okay, so this low is still open, and this low, it didn't do like much, I tell ya. It didn't do anything. So what we can do is literally can go to the lower side from here to this segment over here, and I want to look for like this level over here, for example. And then we are trading like in this way for an ATH. And that, so we're gonna have like one scalp for today, and that's like our kind of normal trade in my opinion. Because like the thing is, what you can see over here, he made the chase of character already. He made a lower low. And from there, I actually want to trade on WEEX for this one. So we're gonna do that, okay? So let's go to WEEX for today. If he wants to load, that would be perfect. There you go. Sorry guys, my internet is not the best, I can see already. Let's see. There you go. Okay. Okay. ADA USDT. Perfect. I can tell you, like, the music is pretty nice indeed, man. I like it. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna have like a small percentage, like 1% or something. No, we want to short actually, to be honest. A leverage of 20. And our TP, what are we gonna do? Like for example, we're gonna go to ADA. Okay, our TP is gonna be at 0.1851. 0.81. Let's go back a little bit real quick. 8151. 51. And our SL is gonna be 0.9488. Okay, 0.9488. And this is gonna be like one of my things what I'm expecting for today. For the short, leverage is gonna be on 10. Let's see. Perfect. 344. Here you go. An ROI of 100%, $600. This is like the kind of trades what I want to look for today with ADA. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe we're gonna have still a leverage of 10. Like, why not? It looks pretty good. Whoa, what's happening? Ah, there it goes again. It works. Sorry, guys. So, and then like 1% or something. ROI of 200%. Well, like let's do 2%. Why not? Here you go. This looks perfect, huh? Why not? Let's open this short for today with ADA. And there you go. Confirm. And it is in. Let's see what's gonna happen for today, guys, with it. I'm really curious. Because to be honest, it looks really good to me, in my opinion. Nice take of USDT. What? What stake of USDT? Did I miss something? Thank you for ADA. New Merlin live stream tagline: Justice analysis is fucking lag. Oh, this is too funny. Okay, use projections is also Dutch, guys. Like the thing is, I can call my own name in these kind of live streams, but like it is not like my own channel, you know. So that's gonna be weird. I saw your balance in WEEX. Oh, thank you. Wow, fast noticing, man. Jeez, you're doing good. So also what you can see over here, we're gonna also go to SOI. Rustig. So guys, what we're gonna have for SOI for today ADA is like now done for me in personal. I like to have this short for today. I'm also gonna have like one alert over here. Here you go. Creating an alert over here and creating alert over here, so that we know that he is reaching these kind of lows. Because yeah, like it looks pretty clean to me. ADA today was doing better than others. Yeah, also you're totally right. That's why I'm also thinking like, because like he is reaching for newer lows right now. That is the whole point why I want to go short for in this moment. The thing is, what is something important to do and want to look for, that these lows over here want to get filled up. So for example, over here with the daily, that's like the one of my most used ones for swing trades in general. The thing is, what you can do with ADA is like he's filling up the confirmations like really cleanly. So for example, on the daily, what you can see is like this order block got filled up pretty nicely over here, and now he's reaching to the downside from there. And what he's doing, he probably wants to reach like these kind of levels over here with this order block over here, okay? And this order block over here, what I'm telling you. So that's why I want to trade to that order block, and then from there we want to go to the upside again. Anytime can jump to 2-3. You mean on ADA? Anytime it can jump to 2-3. Yeah, probably, man. Eventually it will, because like ADA, Cardano, ADA is gonna be like one of the coins that I am also invested in it as well, and I can tell you like that is gonna be like a good one in my personal occasion, because this is like what I wanted to see actually. That is this signal over here, for example, that he's making like lows, and then from there eventually he's reaching like this order block. And then from there, he's gonna make newer highs over here to this reachment over here. So like the 119 is gonna be like the next goal for me to focus, to reach these kind of highs, even also with liquidity on the top. So that's why I am focused for all these ugly highs, in my opinion. So that's why I am also like now that's why I'm also short right now on ADA, even though we're now a little bit losing of 0. or 1%, but like that's always like what is happening, guys. Like you always start in the negative, and then from there it will gonna go to the right movement, or I'm totally wrong, of course. That's also gonna be possible, but I'm pretty confident about this trade for today, so that's why I'm shorting ready for now. Okay, let's see what we're gonna have on SUI for today. So let's see on the daily time frame what it has. Okay, I can tell you already from here, he made already some newer highs. I can tell you, like finally he reached this high, and you can see already that he dropped down from there, but he's still making higher highs as well. So it's gonna be an interesting one, because the thing is, what you can see over here as well, he reached also this low and did go to the upside again. So what we can use is like this placement over here, this high and this low. Okay, these highs and lows are still didn't take out yet. Okay, that means that we are want to see like which level he's gonna break through first. And what is something interesting to focus about is that this order block did get touched or not. Wait a second. It did. Okay, interesting. That means that we are actually can be pretty bullish for today. It did get touched, but it didn't fill up like a lot or something. But you can see already like the big push what it has. Also, what you can see on the 4-hour time frame, for example, that it literally has like some multiple touches on the gap. So it is like building up momentum and these kind of things. He's also making like newer highs, and he took out the lows over here as well. The sellers what it has over here, and inclusive with the fact that the gap also got filled up over here. So the thing is, what we are looking at right now is like a little bit of a consolidation phase. I know he's making like newer highs from this segment over here, but he still didn't take out this low or this low over here. And the latest one what got swiped out is this one. So but we want to see that he's gonna reach these lows over here, the ones that I'm now turning orange for now. That is like my highs where I want to focus on to push early. The only thing is what we're looking at right now is the fact if we're making a Fibonacci that he reached already like those certain levels to buy. So what can be happening, to be honest, is like if you're gonna go to 1 hour time, for example, that we had like a big chance to have a long over here. But yeah, like the thing is that this could be like the retest, and did go now can go to the upside again from here. That you have this kind of level. And I think this is what's gonna be the move for today to have a long for it. But yeah, unfortunately we're a little bit too late for that one. But and it was like more yesterday what I can see already. So yeah, that's like a little bit unfortunate, but still, like this is like what happens always with trading, guys. We always can expect yeah, that you're gonna miss some trades sometimes, and that's gonna be pretty normal, to be honest, because that's like how trading works. So yeah, man, that is like what I'm expecting for today with SUY. If I'm gonna look further for Ethereum, that is gonna be like one of my favorite ones to look for with the swing trades for today. Oh, excuse me, that's not what I wanted. Let's see what it has for me, okay? Because like the fact is that we are want to look at certain levels first of all, but certain levels we marked it out already, and that is like the 4200 roundup, 4K is gonna be like one of the interesting ones. Crowfit, cheers for the SOI. Yeah, man, indeed, I'm really expecting like some good things of SOI as well. This is looking as well really good, to be honest. Okay, so what you can see over here, for example, like the buy zones are like a little bit on the low side. So that's like below the 3800 level, what you can see over here, okay? The only thing is that I'm not expecting that he's gonna drop down that hard, to be honest, of a certain things, okay? First of all, he still didn't reach a newer higher high, okay? So like, so we still want to go, we are still bullish in that segment. The only thing is what we can do is like making like a smaller Fibonacci for the well, I can't talk anymore. Whoa. For the segment where we want to trade on. So for example, like this order book, I think he's gonna break through this one. Man, what is happening today with me? The thing is, because like what we can use mostly, and I think I like this one more, to be honest, even. Let me check. That we're gonna have this gap over here, for example. And then we're gonna use this one as an order block. Why? It is like at the 4200 level, first of all, but also at the 4K level as the lowest point. That is like one of the levels what I like to see the most, to be honest. Unfortunately, it's not like in this on the buying zone over here, but if you're gonna go to the 4 hour timer, for example, and we're gonna have like our Fibonacci from this segment over here till here, and what you can see is that he's then on our buying level, in the buying level, and as well what you can see over here, and that's like the thing where I'm focused on the most of the times. This segment over here got some building up liquidity. Liquidity is like a thing what I'm always focused on, because like the thing is what the market wants to do then is he wants to take out that liquidity, and then what he is gonna do from there is gonna reach the newer highs. Only thing is, if he's gonna only thing is what he's gonna do, what I want to see what he's gonna do, that he's making then again from there, so he's gonna swipe these lows first of all, and when that's gonna happen, from there I want to see like a change of character, and then a retest on that order block or gap, and then from there we're gonna have like a good push to the upside again, And then what we can do is like we can reach for the newer highs if you want, or you can play it safe and you're gonna reach for the high what he made for yesterday, was it? Oh no, Wednesday, sorry. He's gonna reach the new on Wednesday. Okay, those are like the kind of levels what I would look for a trade on Ethereum at least. What only the thing is what I'm like holding back for me is like that he's not like in a how can I explain this to you guys? In a way that he's not like in a buying zone over here. Okay, that's the only thing what I have, because it's also going to be possible that he can go over here to the downside, gonna give a reaction over here, and then he's gonna push up. But the only thing is that we're so bullish right now that is like the way that I'm like not expecting that he's gonna reach that side. That's why it's like so tough for me to trade on Ethereum for today. But at least what I want to do is like to buy at like 4K, maybe 4200 level. Between those levels I want to buy at Ethereum. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place a long on Ethereum for today, but this one is gonna be a swing trade. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna place it under these lows and gonna reach for these kind of highs, and then preferably on a newer high over here, the old all-time high. That's like what I would like to do. And then what I'm gonna do is like I want to see that he's gonna reach these kind of this kind of level. So 4100 is gonna be like one of my levels for, well, let's see, 4150 round up here. Okay, and what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna place even my stop loss a little bit lower just to play it a little bit more safe. This is like the kind of level what I am looking for then. Okay, so what we're also gonna do, we're also gonna have a long but then on Ethereum for today. And here, guys, do you look? We got an ROI of 0.23% already. Hey. Oh, never mind. Hey, we got money. Yeah. Yeah, we're making money, guys. Let's go. Okay. Okay, let's go to Ethereum for now. And our price where we want to go is 150. Let's see, we're gonna have a leverage of 10, 2%, TP for a long, and let's see, the levels where we want to focus on is gonna be 4850 for me, because I like to round up in a certain way. So 4850, and the stop loss is gonna add 3900. Okay. Those are gonna be like my levels for today. It's tough, especially in September will go down again. I'm not sure if Ethereum go now that low, and again in Q4 again more low. And the thing is also that's like why I am also like scared of in a kind of way. The thing is like he's dropping down pretty fast, to be honest. You know, like that's why I would prefer to go like maybe a small short otherwise. That can also be possible, but that's like gonna be for like these upcoming days maybe then, or for this hour maybe it's also possible. Like for example over here, that's also gonna be possible actually. Like look, we also can do it like this segment over here. That we're gonna have a small short over here, for example. That's also gonna be funny. Over here, for example. I'm gonna reach for these kind of lows. To be honest, I like that one as well, to be honest. Like, that's not even that bad. Like this, for example. Because the thing is, like what he's doing right now, but that's like literally for today, we can trade on this one. Like that you have, like for example, that he's reaching these kind of highs, and then from there he's gonna make a newer lower lows. That is also gonna be a possible one to do actually. It's gonna be interesting, this one actually. So what we can do, we're gonna place like a long as a swing trade, but we can also place a short for today. This I can tell you guys, this is like one of the craziest live streams till now, because I never had like 3 trades placing on one live stream then. But this is like then a special live stream for you guys. The reason is because we have like the trading group, of course, but we are placing our trades in as well, where you can follow us on top of it. So like, why not, guys? We're gonna have some interesting things for today. We're gonna place a long as a swing trade for today, and we're gonna place a short for today as well. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna place this one as well, an open long. Let's see, 2%, leverage 10, perfect. Open long, confirm. Okay, and now what we're gonna do is a market or no, also a limit order. I like this one more. And then what we're gonna do is on Ethereum, and we're gonna hide this one real quick. What we're gonna do is we're gonna focus on this trade now, because the thing is what I like the most on this segment. Like, look at this order block over here. It is looking pretty clean to go to the downside from here, so I like it. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're also gonna place a short for here. Let's see. So we got this one, 4,500 short, 4,500, and our TP is gonna get at. We're gonna place a little bit more safe, I would say. We're gonna do like 4150, 200, 4200. Yeah, 4200 looks pretty good to me, to be honest. Let's see. Like our when we want to enter is at 4450. It's gonna be our trade over here. There you go. And then we're gonna short on that segment as well. Oh, the amount, excuse me guys. And we're gonna place this like at the safe movement, okay? So like 2%. 2% is gonna be fine, okay? Like, that's perfect. Don't need much with these kind of things, because like we got a lot of trades upcoming. So like, let's see like what it has for us. ADA is going like not so well anymore, like minus 50%. Damn, bro. What is ADA doing right now? He's going up a little bit to fill up that gap properly. Okay, noted. No, but so yeah, guys, that is like the kind of things and the expectation what I have for today, at least. And as well, guys, I can tell you, like, I'm really stoked about this trade. Let's see like what is gonna happen for us, okay? So yeah, this is like what is gonna be for today, guys, with the live stream, I think. It did go a little bit longer indeed, but yeah, guys, like there was like a good live stream in my occasion. Let's see. We also got like a long over here. So these are like the kind of expectation what I have for today. So I'm drawing it a little bit for you guys. This is the expectation what I have on Ethereum for you guys, okay? And as well, I can tell you, thank you for watching, you know, because like I love the support what you have for today. Also, we can also look actually for like maybe a long on Bitcoin, but we're just gonna let that slide for today. Thanks for this, Justin. Learned a lot again. Profit, no problem, man. I like to help you, guys. I want to thank you for watching. I'm gonna end the stream here, at least. I'm gonna make some clean analysis for you guys over here, like the reason why I'm shorting first, and then I'm gonna want to go look for a long. I'm also gonna be interested about ADA, what it's gonna give us for these upcoming days. But we will see, okay? Thanks, Justin. No problem, man. Like to help you guys. And guys, I can tell you, we're gonna have some crazy good upcoming trades, in my opinion. Also, guys, don't forget, watch Tom's new video. It posted like an half hour ago, I think, maybe a little bit longer now. He's also showing like these kind of chart patterns and stuff, and like he's giving you also the in and outsides of the upcoming trends, what is gonna happen with crypto. And also, guys, don't forget to follow us on X, where we are showing every kind of post what we have. And guys, still, I'm telling you, the Telegram group is like gonna be one of the best ones. What I can give you already. Okay. I'm gonna place my trade setups in here as well for you guys. And yeah, guys, then the only thing what I would say, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one, man. Ciao, ciao.